Friends, hello! In this video, I want to tell you what you absolutely need to feed your tomatoes with right now so that firstly, they continue to grow upwards, continue to set new clusters so that tomatoes form in the clusters, and also so that these tomatoes ripen faster and accumulate sugar. Because now, when there is already quite a considerably large harvest on the tomato bushes, the plant is consuming a lot of macro and micro elements from the soil, and they indeed need to be replenished. If they are lacking, the tomatoes will not grow larger and will not be tasty and sweet enough if they do not get sufficient nutrition. And for feeding, we will need 10 liters of warm water at outdoor temperature. I also use potassium humate. It is liquid. Here you can see that potassium humate contains humic and fulvic acids, as well as amino acids, peptides, polysaccharides, and succinic acid, which is responsible for fruit setting and enhancing the root system. There are also microelements such as sulfur, magnesium, zinc, iron, manganese, boron, copper, silicon, molybdenum, and cobalt. This manufacturer, as you can see, uses 35 milliliters per 10 liters of water. If you purchase a different potassium humate, be sure to check the packaging and use the dosage indicated on the packaging. 1 cap equals 15 milliliters. We need 35 milliliters. 15, 30, a bit more. Mix it. And you can go ahead and fertilize. As you saw, potassium humate contains no nitrogen at all, and tomatoes don't need it right now, because nitrogen will cause the suckers to wake up quickly, which will start drawing more nutrients to themselves, instead of the plant increasing its yield. And potassium humate lets the plant increase the tomato yield, improve their quality, make them juicier and sweeter. The succinic acid in the potassium humate will stimulate the growth of an even larger root system that will grow deeper, allowing the plant to receive additional nutrition. I pour 1 liter of the prepared potassium humate solution under each tomato plant. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, don't forget to share with friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future videos. I wish you a great day and see you in the next videos.